Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This one is going to be a clean with me, although I really kind of think they should be called watch me clean and then maybe clean something in your house later, because I really don't know how anyone can really watch a video and clean at the same time, but I'm just going to call it what YouTube wants me to call it. This is actually cleaning that I did over a few different days because there's no way I could do all of this in one day with 3 kids, one being 2 months old. I'm lucky if I even get to clean one thing a day. So if you notice my clothes changing, that's why. I'm starting off mopping the kitchen floor. I haven't done this since before Noah was born, so it really needed it. And I did get a new mop. This is the O-Cedar Easy Ring mop, and Greg actually picked it up at Costco. This was my first time using it, but so far I really like it. The bucket was leaking on my old spin mop, so that's why we got a new one. Next, I needed to change the sheets on our bed, but before I do that, it was really starting to bother me how much of a gap there was between the top of our mattress and the wall. We don't have a headboard because I don't want it to block the window, so our pillows were constantly falling into the gap. So I decided to pull our mattress off and see if I could pull the bed frame up closer to the wall. And I did. I moved it maybe 1.5 inches, which doesn't seem like much, but it made a big difference. And yeah, don't mind how wrinkly the sheets are. They were sitting in the glider chair for over a week. I never even got a chance to fold them. Since I was cleaning up our room already, I decided to make the bed all the way. I really don't do this very often, but I do like how it looks when it's all made up. But when I come to bed, I just end up having to pull the comforter off because it's too warm for it. And then I need to turn down the bed so I can actually sleep in it. And I don't know, it's starting to seem kind of pointless to me. So let me know in the comments, do you guys make your bed every day? Or I don't know, maybe I just need a different blanket that I don't have to pull off the bed when we go to sleep, but that looks nice too. Then I just picked up some random stuff on the floor that had piled up so that I could vacuum. I always get questions about my vacuum though. This one is the Shark Rocket True Pet, and I love it so much. I've had it for almost 2 years now and it's still working great. I will leave a link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. I really want to do a review of this vacuum though, so let me know if that's something that you guys would be interested in seeing. Here I am cleaning the stairs to the basement, and these have been needing to be cleaned for a while, so I'm just using the crevice tool on my vacuum to vacuum them off. And then I'm just sort of mopping them with an old rag and my spray bottle of floor cleaner, which is just Pine Sol and water. I totally wasn't even planning on doing this that day, but Noah was still napping, so I just made use of my time and continued on into the rest of the basement. This area really needed to be vacuumed. There was dirt and leaves and everything that gets tracked in from going in and out of the house, and just dust and everything. I'm not gonna lie, this area of the house gets neglected the most because it's hard for me to come down here and clean when the kids are all upstairs. I also don't spend any time down here really, so it kind of gets pushed to the bottom of my important list, but I really want to make it a point to keep up with it better because it's so much nicer when it's clean. Okay, so I've been cleaning the basement for more than an hour, and this is what I've got done. I didn't show you guys the before, but I mean the floor is cleaner. I got this front part done. I didn't get to vacuum all back there yet, but I did a little bit, and I didn't have any time to mop. But yeah, I need to figure out something for down here. This is a lot of Greg's, like, I don't know, he does like gold digging kind of thing with like dirt or whatever, but he has a lot of like supplies for that, so I'm trying to figure out what I can get for storage for that, like maybe a shelf or something, and where I can put it so that way we can get a lot of this stuff away so it doesn't look terrible down here. But yeah. Oh, and this mop I'm getting rid of. I think I mentioned at the beginning I got a new mop, but this mop is going bye-bye, so bye-bye mop. Next, I just needed to do a quick wipe down of the stovetop. I'm just using Lysol. I feel like it does a pretty good job of removing grease and stuck on stuff. And if you guys know me, you know I hate cleaning the stovetop. It's the one thing that I really hate cleaning, and I will put it off for like weeks at a time. But recently I discovered a little trick to keeping it clean, and that is to lay a towel over the top when I'm not using it. I've just found that I'm more likely to give it a quick wipe down if I notice any splashes or crumbs starting to build up, because I don't want to lay a towel on top of a dirty stove. And it serves as a second drying mat for big pots and pans, so it's a win-win. Another thing that I really needed to do was wash our shower curtains. The waterproof one that I keep inside the tub had gotten stained yellow so bad from hard water, I guess. So what I do is fill a bucket with hot water, put the curtain in it, and then add a good amount of bleach to the water, and then I just let it sit for a few hours. The decorative curtain that I keep on the outside, I just throw in the washer machine. decided while I was doing this that I really need to get different shower curtain rings. I have those cheap plastic ones like that you can find at Walmart, and they were frustrating me so much putting the curtain back onto them because I don't know, it's just super hard to get the curtain back onto. So I'm definitely going to be buying some different ones. That is it for this video though. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up for me. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!